So today we're going to be rocking a new build of the Tofu60 version 2. Put some GMKs on it as well. This thing's going to be nicely kitted out. I'm going to show you every single piece and how to build this keyboard. We'll do some sound tests and then let me know your thoughts on which keyboard's best for you. So I'm Bearded Bob, been in gaming for over 35 years now. I've got a lot of gaming tech experience. I've been modding mice for a long time, keyboards now, into games like Tarkov, Valorant, all those kinds of things. If you're into that kind of content and you want to find out the best peripherals for you and really how they're built, then stick around on this channel. So now let's build the Tofu 2.0, 62.0 with GMK's hot swappable PCB 20. I don't know what switches I'm putting in yet. I did get this from Kdbfans, purchased by myself. Got a polycarbonate one, but I'm gonna put the other one on. The massive foam pack we need. And this one, this just looks better. And this is a polycarbonate. This just looks nicer. Made in China. Is that the design company? Maybe they design it and then ship it, I guess. Look at that, looks way better. Pretty nice plate. Then we've got keycaps, which are these. But then we've got the GMK ones. What's it? Mecab? Yeah. No. So anyway, I've got two B's either. Maybe I'm missing some, but these are GMKs apparently. And then it's going on. Oh, this thing's heavy. This Tofu 2. Like the gold and white. And then we've got to decide what switches we want. You get the usual KDB stuff. We go for the thicky U4Ts in this thing. We're not lubing the switches today. These yellow ones, I don't know which brand they are. It's one of the problems. So we're going with these stabs. I can't remember where they're from. There we go, finally. Absolutely greasing everything up. Right, I don't know if it's a little bit wobbly, these stabs. Could be the stab, don't know, not the best. One thing I forgot to get some decent ones. And we'll see my screw pack. No, not there. Very spaces for the stabilizer. It's all good. On the back. I don't remember where the phone goes. Does that go on the rear to cushion the back? I thought it went between this and this. Well, this one goes between it, doesn't it? That goes like first. So we got trapped, so it becomes a nightmare. Where's the other one go? So we're reckoning that. So that part there. Then what we're going to put that piece over the top, you reckon, like that? And what we put this piece on here, I get it now. So that part then goes on that way around, or something like that, and it's close enough, like that. Then we're looking at that piece on top of there, sandwiched, yeah, with the view that this piece is going to go at the bottom, PCB, right, like that, and that sits on top of it. That's what we're thinking. Got to take out, there's like an Allen key port in here, and then I've got to put it. The grommets go in between here, don't they? You can see him here. Here's the grommet slot. Here's what they're like. Oops. I guess it stops it rattling somehow, I don't know. Or do we trap the PCB between, I can't see any screw mounts for it, between these two layers? Is that what we do? All the grommets are in. A bit of foam in here first, maybe. Okay. I've got that bit there. Okay. And then that bit goes on top, which then gets trapped by the grommets. Right, okay, get it, yeah. Pins it in place. We screw it all back together. All together. Ooh, this connector. Days, finally. Finally. The switches. Right, keycap time, baby. Oh yeah, 20. And then we got these as well. Here we go. Et voila. Tofu 2.0 GMK. Let's get the Huntsman so you can compare. We're rooting as well. Right, Huntsman V3, TKL. Oh my days. Holy moly. Ugh. It's awful. That ping. Oh my. Oh my days. That does sound. Here's the rooting 60. Get this puppy, come over, this one is. Kdbs, just a plastic one. It's not too bad for what it is.